Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you proper nouns. In today's video, only for today, you won't be able to see my face. So we're just gonna start by just know it's my channel. So 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 we got some proper nouns over here. First, we're gonna look onto this one. Proper nouns are basically people, places, and things. These should be called nouns, but if you want to make it proper, you should use all of these things. So, Emily, Oliver, Grandpa Joe, Principal Chen, Coach Smith, Queen Elizabeth, Mayor Thompson, President Lincoln, Auntie Clindy, Officer, I don't know the surname, but that's fine. So, people are their surnames and some people just don't like saying the surname, but like Emily and Oliver, their surnames are not there. But people are basically the names, like people. So you can see that people they use the name like these names are the people like Queen Elizabeth from London. Yeah, she's a person. Now places. We've got New York City, Mount Everest, London, Amazon River, Tokyo, Grand Canyon, Paris, Cindy Opera House, Nile River, Arches National Park. These are all places you can see. So like the Nile River, it's in the country. Then there's like a place where people stand and then they can see the Nile River. These are like Tokyo is a country and it's like a place. New York City is a place too. Like places are basically like a building surrounded by people, and also it's also has lots of things like indoors where someone can come inside. And like when I say I love this place, that means that lots of people are there. Then they're like lots the high buildings, not everything. Like school is a place, and school is not a high building. So a place is basically like a building with lots of people and something fun happening there. And when I say I love school, I'm talking about I love this place. Okay. So then for things we got Coca-Cola, okay, Frog and Todd, the Mona Lisa, oh the Mona Lisa, iPhone, Lego, Disneyland, the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, the White House, War World War Two. It could be 11 or 2, I don't know. So Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola could be a thing. Frog and Todd. I rather say it should be a thing. The Mona Lisa. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure the Mona Lisa is a thing because you basically can touch it, it cannot move or something. The iPhone, it's also a thing because you can touch it but it doesn't move. Disneyland. I'd rather say it should be in places, but if they think it's gonna be things, the Statue of Liberty. Okay, that is a place. No, that's a thing because you can touch the Statue of Liberty, but it doesn't move or anything. The Eiffel Tower is not. It's in. I don't think it's a place or thing because it's in Paris, and you can also touch it and it doesn't move. The White House. I'd rather say it's a place. Okay, but it can't move. The World War, yeah, but there were people in the World War too. Now, guys, what do you think? In the comments below, is this supposed to be in people or is this supposed to be in things? My comments aren't working, so you just have to put in my post pictures. Whatever you think. Now we're gonna move on to proper nouns in this one. Proper nouns refers to a unique entity such as New York, Saturn, or London. So you can see Daniel, Quarter Oaks, China. Guys, read this or you can pause the video and read them. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Actually, no, 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't get a chance, pause it and you can read it. Then in the comments below, my comments aren't working. I don't know how to turn it on. Just put in my post pictures. Do you read everything? And do you think these or placing groups like Daniel's a person, cockroach is a thing, like that? And put it in the comments in my post pictures because my comment in my videos are not working. Now I'm going to do list of proper nouns. So you can see that here is countries, which like places. These are also places. Guys, do the same thing for this one too. Now, guys, now let's go to here. You can see all of these. So I want you for this one to read this proper noun. Wait a second. It's just loading. So basically, it says a proper noun is a name used for an individual person, place, or organization. It is spelled with a capital letters. Rules and examples. Okay. In the comments below in my post pictures, my comments aren't working, you're gonna say that is this true or false? Okay? Okay. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. If you want more English works or maths or anything, you just comment it in my post pictures. My comments aren't working. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.